Hello viewers, welcome to Excel formula video series. In this video I will show you how you can find out the smallest number from a dataset. So here you can see I have two datasets. One is here and another is here. So from these two datasets I will find out the smallest number. So it is very easy to find out the smallest number from this few amounts of data. So if you have thousands of data, then it will be difficult to find out the smallest number. So we can find out this number very easily by using the minimum function. So here I am writing the minimum function. So for this, press the equal operator and then first bracket and then write min. Here you can see min function is here, and then select all this number from your dataset 1 and press the control button and then select all of this number. So here you can see first I select these all numbers, then I select these all numbers, then close the bracket and press enter. So you can see from these two datasets my smallest number is 6. So it is very easy to find out this smallest number. So if you overwrite here suppose 4 and press enter, so you can see the smallest number is 4 now here. So in the same way, if you want to find out the smallest date from here, you can do it the same the same way. So for this, remove the internal things and then select all of these dates and then press enter. So now you can see the smallest date is 3/17/2009. So from a large date of numbers, it will be difficult to find out the smallest one. So you can find out the smallest date using the minimum function. So I hope this video will help you in future, and see you in the next video with others formula.